Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Food. Today we are presenting to you an delicious Oreo shake made specially for kids. To make this you need a poly bag and a ladle, Oreos, vanilla ice cream and some milk. Take some Oreos, put them in the bag. Now, take the bag of Oreos and start crushing it with the help of the ladle and make sure you do not hit yourself. Afterwards, it will look like this. Now, take the crushed Oreos and put them in the blending jar. Add 1 cup of ice cream. Add 1 cup of milk into the blending jar. Blend the ingredients together. Finally, it's time to pour the shake into your desired glass. Your Oreo shake is ready to drink. For more such content, keep on watching Sundaran's in India. Don't forget to like, share and comment as well.